You are a student and you often have a problem in proper placement of comma, then this video is for you. Hey toppers, this is Naini and I am going to share you the top 7 uses of comma. So, there may be more than one adjective in a sentence describing a noun. In that case, we use a comma to separate those adjectives. For example, the cheese is moist, soft, and tasty. Over here, moist, soft, and tasty are the three adjectives, and we separate them with commas. So, rule 2. We separate a negation in a sentence with a comma. Now, what is negation? Let me tell you. A negation is a word or a group of words, or it can be sentences also in some cases, which contradict or oppose something in the sentence. For example, I went to the beach, not the mountains, for my vacation. Over here, not the mountains is the negation. Why? Because it is opposing the first sentence, and we separate this negation using a comma. So rule 3. In a sentence, there may be list of items in a series. Those items are separated using commas. For example, Tom traveled to France, Spain, and Germany. France, Spain, and Germany over here is a list of items, same items, and we have uh, separated them using commas. Rule 4. We use commas to separate dates, months, and year in a sentence. For example, the event will take place on Friday, December 12th, 2024. Over here, the dates, months, and year is separated using commas. If two sentences are joined together using a coordinating conjunction, we place a comma before that coordinating conjunction. For example, she wanted to go to the beach, but her friends decided to go to the mountains. Rule 6. So there may be sentences starting with the word yes or no. If so happens, then we put a comma after the word yes or no. For example, yes, I will be there soon. After yes, we put a comma. Our last rule, rule 7. If there is a quotation part in a sentence, we always separate it with a comma. Now, how to identify a quoted part in a sentence? Always remember that quoted parts are within double quotations. Easy. For example, Dad asked, "Where have you been?" Where have you been is a quoted part, and therefore before beginning of this sentence we put a comma.